Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC is trying to reverse here, it's trying to form a low, broke above the descending trend line, however not with a lot of volume or momentum, and we're still forming a series of lower highs and higher lows, and the break of this initial trend line is not yet giving me a very bullish feeling about this. I don't know, it doesn't really look that convincing. We are still looking, however, here for a potential low to form in that region, potentially even before breaking below the invalidation point, which is located at 49 cents. That is the area of the previous swing lows in September and October last year. Now you can see that this is considered a so-called 1-2 setup. The wave 2 low, yeah, it might have, it might be in already. There's absolutely no evidence for it. And the likelihood that this happened already in this 1-2 setup is quite low, because we've already broken below ideal support levels for the 1-2 setup. However, it's noteworthy, it's not invalidated. It is more likely, actually, I still have it labeled only as alternative, but it's actually more likely, or it's getting more likely, that this is a 1-2, just not a 1-2, but wave 1, yeah, and then this wave 2 is actually here. Because the yellow support zone that you see here now is actually for that larger degree wave 2. But we'll see. What does that mean from an Elliott wave point of view? It doesn't really change much practically in the short term. It will have an impact on longer time frame targets, yeah. If we have a 1-2 setup, it's more bullish. If we just have a large 1-2, it is potentially less bullish. Either way, there is no confirmed low in place. But as I said, we've broken above a trend line. And this is the trend line that started to develop around the 10th of June. We don't have tons of data here, but we had enough touch points to make it relevant. Bear in mind that the move down could technically be complete. But whatever this is, that developed since the 17th of June low, it is just a sideways consolidation. Yeah, granted, we've broken now above a trend line, but we haven't taken out any previous swing high. So next, I'd like to see the bulls take out at least the 57.6 cent level, better that swing high from the 20th of June at 59.7 cents. But these are only like the next swing highs. What is really important to confirm that the wave 2 has bottomed, which I'm very skeptical about. The price, well, we can just listen to the market. We just listen to the market. And what does the market tell us? So the market needs to push the prices in yellow wave 3. So this basically, yellow count shows us the roadmap that the market needs to follow in order to confirm that wave 2 is bottomed. At the very least, I need to see a 5-wave pattern to 67.4 cents. Okay, we are far away from that. We only have a wave 1 and a wave 2, maybe, and they're questionable. The third wave isn't even getting the momentum it should get. So very skeptical about it, could easily get another low. Basically what it means in very simple terms, if we can see 5 waves and the price reaches in the third wave, the 65 cent level, and in the fifth wave, the 67.5 cent level, then I have the first objective confirmation that a low has formed. And you can say, okay, but then we've already rallied. Well, yeah, but it's all about, okay, are you happy to buy in uncertainty, where there's literally no confirmation a low is in place, or do you want to have some confirmation? Now, you don't need to buy up here. Often, or it should be the case, that this 5-wave move will then be corrected and we get a higher low for which we can add a support zone, and then ideally it runs from there. This would be a good buying opportunity. Now, sometimes you don't get the nice 5-wave up, 3-wave down move. Sometimes it's not clear. That's the risk of waiting. But that's sort of what I would like to see. But I'm not sure if we get it. Yeah, the fact that we are forming like a sideways consolidation pattern there now just maybe even allows for, well, it definitely allows for direct trend continuation, maybe one more low. It certainly indicates we could get one more direct low. It's just that because we are so deep in support, and we're so close to the invalidation point, of course, I'm watching for a possible reversal, but I'm only going to confirm that we've bottomed if I see the 5 waves. That keeps us out of traps. That's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.